Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. The bedroom redesign is underway, and today we are going to be putting up the headboard wall panels from Vant Panels. As you can see, my brother has came in to help me, and we are going to team up and try to get this project done, lifestyle lovers. I'm so ready. I am so excited. My goal for this space, lifestyle lovers, is I want it to be functional, I want it to be relaxing, and I want it to be beautiful, as this is the room where I spend most of my time. So if you are interested in continuing to follow me on this journey of me redesigning my bedroom, then keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers, in this clip, me and my brother, we are just watching the Vant panel tutorial on YouTube, and it shows you how to assemble the panels, and it looks pretty simple, but you guys will see throughout the video that it wasn't that simple, not as simple as we thought that it was going to be. So right now I'm just pretty much gauging where the headboard will start. I have my bathroom door open, that way I can make sure there will be enough space in order to open the door. But I actually want it pretty much to look as if it is coming out of the nightstands.
Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, so my brother is reading the instructions. He's trying to figure out how to attach the I guess the thing that's going to hold the Vant panels, which will go against the wall. But I'm just trying to make sure that my bathroom door can open comfortably, and just draw the line. It's not a straight line. I actually need to find my ruler, but I wanted to, as you can see, if you guys remember, I was telling you that I wanted the furniture to arrive first, because I wanted to kind of come out of the nightstand, as you see right here. So it's a little bit behind the nightstand and just kind of come up out of the nightstand, just like that. So So this is a 30-inch, which will go on the ends, and then a 39-inch will go in the middle. So yeah, so we're just trying to figure out how to get it mounted. I know you guys have been awaiting the headboard installation, as I have been as well. So yeah, so today is the day, honey, that we're gonna get it done. I'm excited about it, but yeah. So this one will go kind of like that.
So you
9-inch set. Once all brackets are connected to your first panel, lift the assembly and position it flush against your wall.
So
be sure to align it with your pencil mark at the center of the wall. Everything aligned.
That video for you
into the first bracket hole immediately above the panel. Repeat for the opposite hole. With 2 screws secured above your first panel, align your second panel.
Yeah, them don't snap, them brackets.
Huh?
Them brackets don't snap together.
Yeah, they all snap together. Let me see. Let me see if I can
Using
find
your
like an
measuring
update,
tape,
because that
find
can't
mark the
be
center
here, because
of
they
your wall.
don't snap together. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so what we thought was going to be a simple and easy project, what looked like a simple and easy project, as we're watching the Vant Panels tutorial, as well as some other videos that were on YouTube, in which consumers had purchased the Vant panels, it looked very simple, but the brackets that came with the panels, it appears that they were supposed to snap together, but they didn't snap together, or we could not figure it out how to snap them together. So basically what we did was we lined them in a straight line along the wall, and we were able to slide the panels on very easily, but the tutorial did not go as we thought it would go. I tried to call Vant Panels this particular day, but it was a Sunday, so of course that they were closed. But you know, we figured it out.
Try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high and high. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my
Okay, lifestyle lovers, we have one panel up and 3 more to go. So the shorter ones, which is the 30-inch ones, comes on each end, and then the 39-inch will go in the middle. So it took us a while to figure it out because the video, the tutorial, it just wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't snapping on, but we figured it out. We're gonna get it done. Right, bro?
Yep, yep.
You ready to put on some music?
Yeah, put on some music for me.
Okay. All right, lifestyle lovers. So we'll be back. It's getting done, baby.
Put on some Raheem Devon or some Jill Scott.
Oh, okay. Look at you. Some Raheem Devon. I don't even know who that is. Is that from Tony Tony Tone?
No, he
Who is that?
He from, I think DC. Yeah, he from Washington.
Okay. Cool.
make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high and high. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you.
Gotta get last one on that.
Last panel, last
Same
panel.
time, yeah.
Last panel.
7:43. Oh, hammer.
That's almost ready to come. It took us, what time we started this?
No, wrong.
We've been at this ball about 2 hours.
Probably longer than that. I got off work.
At 2:30.
Yeah, 2:30.
You got here probably about 3:30.
And I picked Jade on it, yep.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, as luck would have it, the last panel took the longest. We had to keep unscrewing it and screwing it back in the wall because there were gaps, and me and my brother couldn't figure out why, you know, when it was lining up straight. But as I stated, it just wasn't simple. I don't know if it was just us or what it was. You know, let me know in the comments if you've ever used Vant Panels products as far as the headboard is concerned. But I will tell you that the bed was really simple to put together. Okay, lifestyle lovers, now we are moving on to mounting the TV. I did tell my brother that, you know, we could do it at a later date because it had gotten pretty late. He was tired and I was tired, but he did go ahead and mount the TV for me before he left. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so it's probably about 9 o'clock at night. As you can see behind me, we got the panels up, me and my brother. It took us about, he got here probably about 3:30, and it's about 9 o'clock at night. So what, about 5 hours? I'm just too I'm too tired to even count. But you know, Vant Panels advertise it like it's a easy process, but it wasn't. At least it wasn't for us. You know, I don't know if we slow or what the case may be, but they had these brackets that were supposed to detach, but they didn't detach. There was no way for them to detach. So we mounted them against the wall vertically, and we had to, you know, if it wasn't even, then we had to unscrew it and redo it. It was just a very, very tedious, time-consuming process. It was not easy as 1, 2, 3. It wasn't. I don't know what we were doing wrong. I know we watched a couple of videos on YouTube. My brother said one of the videos, the people said it took them all night long to do it. So I don't know what the deal was, but it's up. I also have my TV mounted on the wall, so it's a little bit higher than I wanted it to be, but right now it's just gonna have to do. I pretty much thought I had cooked some crabs, so I pretty much thought me and my brother, we were going to be able to do this, be done with it, and sit down and enjoy some crabs, but it did not work out that way. It just got late. I had to pack his crabs up to go. I'm tired. I have to work in the morning. He has to work in the morning. But it's done. So on to the next step, whatever that may be. But yeah, lifestyle lovers, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the new Vant panel headboard. And I'll see you on the next video, lifestyle lovers, because I'm tired.